Hi everyone, this is Vikram Shah and I am a product consultant at Speakra. So in this video I am going to show you the demo about how to create a Zoho Flow to integrate multiple apps. It could be your Zoho apps, it could be your any other apps, so that you can integrate all of the apps so that the simultaneous and smooth data flow can happen between different apps, right? So let's go to the flow. So this is the flow. So in the left side you can see this is the dashboard section, and in the dashboard you can see what are all the flows are active and what are pauses, what are dark flows, and you can also give different access to the user so that only the admin can give the admin can create the flow and manage the flow, and other people cannot manage the flow inside your organization, right? So in this video we are going to show you how to create a flow and how to integrate multiple apps. So if you go there, so there is create flow button, but you can create a folder also. Suppose you are creating multiple flow for any different for any particular apps. So for that use case you can create a folder, and inside the folder you can create multiple flows to integrate all of your flows so that you can manage the flows later on better. So that is for the maintenance purpose. So in this video we are going to create a simple flow. So create a flow. So I'm going to name it as simple flow. Okay, so you can add it inside your any of your folders. So I'm going to put it inside simple flow. Okay, description, we are going to connect with Zoho Flow, Zoho CRM, Zoho CRM, Zoho Forms, and Zoho Campaign. Okay, so let's create the flow now. It is creating. So after it is getting created, you will be able to see what are the all the different workflows you can create. So this is for apps. Suppose you are creating a simple app to flow to connect multiple apps. So this is for that use case. So schedule is for suppose you are going to trigger the flow in a particular time. So then you can use the schedule. So webhook and RSS email, these are different use cases, and you can create subflows also. So we are going to create an app in this video. So let's configure the app. So what we are going to connect, so choose your apps. So you can choose from any Zoho apps, like that you can see. So Zoho Bookings, Zoho Books, CRM, Calendar, Campaign. Other than the Zoho apps itself, you can create other apps also. So you can create Stripe, Shopify, Salesforce, Outlook, and many different apps also. So I think there are 1200 or something like that, the app count which you can connect and integrate inside Zoho Flow. So let's create a let's search for from. Okay, we're going to connect from Zoho Flow. Suppose you are a business and you organized a event for your customers and all the prospect customer. So after the event, you send the form, you send the Zoho form to your customer to fill up their details, their what they like about the event, what are their basic details, and in which product or in which service they are interested in. So we are going to, so after that when the forms, they upload the forms, they can select that they are interested into our this kind of product or this kind of service, or they are just interested into our newsletter or email service. So for that use case I'm going to create a flow today. So let's enter the new version because it is new. So for that we have to create a connection. You can create a new connection from here also. we are going to create the connection. We are going to name it as simple connection. Simple connection. Okay, fine. So after that we are going to trigger this accept button. So this allow us to Zoho Flow to allow the access to Zoho Flow. Okay, we are going to accept it. So variable name trigger, kept it as it is. So now we are going to create a form. So I will show you the form, but I have already created a form before, so I will just show you that. So this is the form. You can where people can come and submit their name, their last name, their email address, their phone number, and what are the product or suppose they are interested into our product or services, or they are just interested into our mailing list. So like that they can submit the form, and I will go to the form then. Demo interest form. Okay, what is the name? Yeah, it is demo interest form. Then filter criteria. I don't want any filter criteria now, but you can filter it out by, suppose they did not give their email address or something like that, or phone number. Done. So now we are going to create a suppose they submit their form, and after that we are going to integrate the flow. So let's go to the logic section, where you can set the variable, decision, delay, and all of the other things. Okay, so this is webhook, this is notification. Suppose if you want to create a notification service for your customer or any other services, then you can use the notifications in emails, and these are all the functions are there. Command and script, this is also something new, so you can write your custom script or bash script to trigger any flow, so or execute any action. So we are going to connect now apps. So but before that I am going to create a flow decision. Okay, so we are going to set the decision is what is the condition we are going to put. So interested into our product or service. Suppose a customer is interested into our product or service, then they can we can then redirect them to our Zoho CRM lead. Okay, but if they are interested into only the mail service, then we can add them into our Zoho campaign, right? This thing. So if the interest learn it equal to okay, done. Condition is over. So we are going to set the condition, and that is done. We are going to search CRM. Now Zoho CRM claim, add user. We are going to add user here. So I will drop that here. Zoho CRM, add username. Now I am going to put the details of here. Okay, so first name is equal to first name, last name is equal to last name, email is equal to email. What are the other mandatory things? So roles we can give whatever, that is not important. We are using the demo account, so that's why it is active currently like this. So profile, let's suppose they are developer, all of them are. So that's it. We can select done. Then the CRM connection is done. So we are going to add another condition. Okay, so why it is not showing. Okay, that's why. So I made a mistake here, so we are going to rectify that. If interested to learn about product and services equal to, this will not be this, so we have to copy paste that from here. Interested in product and services. Okay, fine. So let's check that. Sorry, interested in product and services. So okay, fine. If interest to this fields value is equal to product, interested in product and services, then we're going to trigger the add user thing. Okay, so for the condition 2, we are going to add similar to that, is equals only mailing list. Only mailing list. Okay, fine. Done. We're going to add another thing. So we're going to search about campaign. Add to the contact list. Okay. Now we are going to integrate it. We are going to integrate with Z campaign. So workspace, I'm going to give this. So list name is equal to newsletter. Email address is equal to, we're going to collect the email address from here. Okay, it is done. Now we are going to test it. Okay, so let's test this from. So there are no dummy data. It is currently showing there is no dummy data available. So we are going to give the name BIKRAM. @speakra.com. Phone number is equal to, let's keep 98760. Fine. I'm going to trigger it with only mailing list. So duplicate values are not allowed. Okay, I think I have already added that phone number. Okay, that is done. So right now you can see it is currently coming, all the inputs are coming. Now we are going to test it. Decision, add to the contact to the list. So this is done. So we have already tested it, so it is working fine. So we are going to switch on the form. So that's done. So this is what Zoho Flow does. So you can integrate multiple apps so that your lives become much more easier. You don't have to manually do that by yourself or by your team. So this is what Zoho Flow does for you. So in the dashboard section you can see all of this, all of the information about all your flows. So if you go to the settings, you can see all the settings at the history, connection, profiles, custom functions, members. So if you can add member, and you can add their membership as admin or user. So admin user can create a flow, but user cannot create flow. That's why this is the two bifurcation. Okay, so this is it. This is what Zoho Flow is. So I hope this video is helpful for you and you learned something new, and hopefully you will be able to integrate it in your businesses. So bye bye, see you later.